I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring headings use built-in styles. This is crucial because linked numbering ties to style levels. Once done, open the navigation pane to confirm the outline flows correctly and turn on Show /hide so you can spot manual breaks or extra paragraphs that will break numbering. Make sure each section uses the correct heading level. Do not mix manual font changes. This prepares Word to apply automated, linked numbering reliably and avoids later rework when you Now you create a multi-level list and link it to your heading styles so numbering follows the outline. Go home, choose multi-level list, then define new multi-level list. For level 1, link to heading 1, level 2 to heading 2, and so on. While defining, set numbering format, include level numbers from higher levels, and set correct alignment and indents. Once linked, apply the heading styles and watch numbers update. If numbers skip, check that each heading uses the linked style and not manual formatting. Finish by scanning the document and reapplying heading styles where numbering looks wrong. That forces Word to regenerate linked numbers. If a sequence skips, select the preceding heading and use Restart at 1 or set numbering value to correct the chain, and clear local formatting with clear formatting in the Styles pane. Once consistent, save the file as a template to preserve the multi-level list setup. Troubleshooting tip: if numbering still breaks, check for section breaks or mixed manual lists. Remove or convert them to styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.